Welcome to Taskdrip. You're hanging out with your man T-Mac. So in this video, I'll be showing you something really very powerful. Stick with me and I will show you how to literally get paid for developing several applications. Don't worry, you will not be the one developing the application. This is a business model that you could create and sell several web applications, mobile apps, softwares. There's nothing you cannot build with this application I'm going to be showing you. This application, you can use this to earn at least 3K monthly. I'm telling you this because it's already working for me. For instance, now you could see, let me log in and show you something. Okay. So you see here, let me show you something here in transaction history. On Taskdrip, I've actually documented a full guide on how you can go about doing this. You could build several applications and earn at least 3K monthly, right? You can earn 3K monthly from building applications and selling them. So you check here, you see just for this period, let me show you. You see there are different applications you can keep selling. You can keep selling different applications. Right here, selling different applications. You see, you can keep selling different applications. It depends on how much you want to tag on those applications. You could build several applications and sell it to people that need the application. So it can be a mobile app, it could be a web app, it could be a software. Any kind of applications you want to build, you could build it with this. So you can see this application currently, that this application, this is like a wallet validator. It keeps generating 12 random seed phrases in a bid to find an active wallet, right? So you can see here, you see how many attempts it has made. It will show you if the wallet is active or it's not active. And this application, you can see it's actually connected live to the Ethereum and Binance network. This application was built with this AI agent. So I'm telling you, there's no kind of application you cannot build with this. All you would be needing to make this a whole successful process is, so you have this AI agent as your team of developers and engineers. So what they do is you feed it with the right information, you tell it what to build, and it does. It goes to work. You build it, you test it, you ensure it's working, and it's something users want to pay money for. So you have to do your research to, first of all, research what software you're building, research what industry you're targeting, what niche you want to focus on. Once you're done, once this is done creating the software for you, you have access to the source code, you have access to the files. You could tell it to give you a file to download the APK. You can upload it to Play Store, App Store. You could decide to launch it on a server. They have a deploy feature here. You could see here, you could just deploy the application on their own server. Right here, your application will be live. You could do the whole domain name, connection, and all of that. Then if you want to build your applications, you can have your own landing page. You build a simple landing page with the same application for yourself, and sell it. And sell your courses. Like for me, I have my own application I sell. I already have crypto payments integrated to it already. So once you try to pick a software, you could just add to cart. And once you add to cart like this, let's say you're going for this AI SaaS good mine. Currently, there's actually a discount if you want to learn the whole process. If you want to learn the whole process on how to build and sell these applications, the whole process, your marketing, branding, setting up your landing page to sell this, integrating your payment processors, your wallet system, all of it. So you see here, this one, somebody could just come check out with Crypto Moss, come over here, and they will pay for your software and you receive your payment in your crypto wallet. You can build several things and sell them. Like there are different markets where you can sell your softwares. You could go to Code Canyon. You can come to Code Canyon and sell your softwares on Code. And once you have a fully functional product you want to sell, you're ready for the market, I will show you all the platforms you could sell them. Like you could sell them on Code Canyon. You can see there are different scripts here. Let's say for instance you begin to create scripts. You could create JavaScript, create PHP scripts and sell them, or WordPress themes or plugins. You create them with this same application. So let's just say you begin to create scripts, you now come over here, sell them, give people discounts to buy them, whatever it is. If you want to sell them as a course, if you want to sell a course, whatever you want to do, it's just limitless. I will give you the whole process, how to go about setting up this whole blueprint. This whole process is really not complex. If you want to build a SaaS model, software as a service model, fine, you could use this strategy to build software as a service. But if you want to build your own softwares and sell them directly to people, or give them membership, or leave it as a subscription based software, any of the monetizations you decide to pick, I would explore all of them for you, so you could pick which one you want to use. Or if you want to use all of the monetization strategies, you want to monetize from Google, you want to also monetize your Telegram, you would have a complete structured guide on how to go about the whole process. So that is it for now. Have a great time, and see you in the next video. Bye.